Access to clean cooking facilities is not just a matter of convenience, it's a matter of life and death, environmental sustainability, and social injustice. Across the globe, millions of people, predominantly in developing countries, face the daily struggle of cooking over open fires using inefficient stoves, exposing themselves and their families in deadly indoor air pollution, and keep going the cycle of poverty and environmental issues. Hello everybody, I'm Armeen, a vibrant 9th grade student enrolled at Aga Khan School. Embarking on my educational journey, I eagerly dive into the rich hanging of knowledge and experiences, driven by a passion for learning and commitment for my personal growth.
I'm Arjmand, a spirited 9th grade student attending Aga Khan School, where each day unfolds with great opportunities of learning and growth. With an insatiable curiosity and a determined spirit, I embark on this educational odyssey fueled by a passion for knowledge and a commitment to realizing my fullest potential. As we delve into this multifaceted issue, we uncover its far-reaching implications on public health, environmental sustainability, gender equality, and economic development. Indoor air pollution from traditional cooking methods claims millions of lives each year, predominantly affecting women and children who bear the brunt of its health consequences. Meanwhile, the unsustainable harvesting of biomass fuels contributes to deforestation, climate change, and the erosion of vital ecosystems, threatening the very planet we call home.
Within this challenge lies a huge opportunity. Throughout innovative technology, policies, and community-driven initiatives, we have the power to transform the way we cook, to safeguard human health, preserve our environment, and empower communities worldwide. I invite you to join me on my journey to explore the solution and strategies to use we can drive us towards a universal access to clean food facilities. Today, we can change, inspire, action, and pave the way towards a better, brighter, healthier, and more sustainable future for all.
Clean cooking isn't just about preparing meals. It's about transforming lives and safeguarding our planet. Imagine a world where every kitchen emits not smoke, but hope. This is the vision driving the EcoStove Networks Initiative. But why is clean cooking so crucial? Traditional cooking methods produce harmful smoke and contribute to environmental degradation.
From rural villages to urban slums, these modular marvels adapt, serving as beacons of progress in the fight against indoor air pollution and its far-reaching consequences. In the crafting of the EcoStove units, we have marvelously selected materials which imbued it with qualities that contribute to efficiency, durability, and environmental friendliness of our stove. Firstly, sheet or steel metals from the sturdy backbone of our stoves, providing a robust foundation that withstands the test of time and temperature. These metals ensure that the structure of the stove, allowing it to endure daily use with reliance and grace. As the fire burns inside the stove, strong materials like ceramic or refractory stuffs stay strong, not getting damaged by high heat. These heat-resistant materials protect the stove from damage and help it burn efficiently. They last long, so the stove keep working well for many years and helping communities worldwide. As you can see these images, AI has created these imaginary images for our EcoStove unit. Together, let us continue to champion the cause of clean cooking, ensuring that no one is left behind for the better, more sustainable future for all. The EcoStove Network is not just a solution, it's a symbol of hope, a treatment to the transformative power of human and collective action. Let us use this opportunity to create lasting change and build a world where clean cooking is a reality for everyone, everywhere. Join us in our journey towards a better, sustainable, and healthier future for all.